the Apache Hotel, where I'm staying, right over here. So basically, it's an old hotel. I don't believe it was the first hotel built, but it was definitely one of the first hotels to be built, or motel, I'm not sure what you want to call it. But word is that it is haunted, and I'll be staying there tonight. I'm going to do a little room tour and then see how it goes when we check it out.
Floor 2.
What's up, you guys? So pretty much I'm staying at the Binions Hotel in downtown. It's Fremont Street, so it's kind of loud in the background. Pretty much Fremont Street is right there, so it is what it is. I wanted to start a series where I stay at every hotel on Fremont Street, and then last night I was talking to one of my buddies, and she was telling me that the hotel I'm staying in right now is known to be haunted. So I didn't want to like freak out or anything, but I was like, thought she was playing with me, but then I Googled it, and some stuff popped up. So the hotel, it's a Hotel Apache. It was pretty much, it was built in 1932, and I guess they had it closed for over a decade, and they reopened it last year. And with everything going on as far as like COVID and everything, it's I'm a little freaked out. Online it says that the Apache Hotel is reported to be one of the most haunted places in the state of Nevada. I'm not sure how I feel about that. So the room itself is not that big. Pretty much, I got a bed here, TV on the wall, and a restroom on the other side, and that's pretty much it. It's really it's a small room. To be honest with you, it reminded me of my room when I visited when I traveled to Poland. This was probably a little bit bigger than a room in Poland, but it's still small. So yeah, let me I guess they have some stuff in the they have some things downstairs where I guess it talks about the history of the hotel. So let's check that out real quick. so I've eaten here once before. I don't remember the burger being this big. I did order a double, but the thing's huge. So, and it wasn't that expensive. Back in the room. I gotta lie, I'm not sure how people could sleep in here. It's literally, the Fremont experience is seriously just right outside this window, and it's loud. So $196, which pretty much puts me at even. From the food I ate to the gambling I did and I lost earlier, and then all the money I spent today, then that pretty much covers it. Puts me back at even. So pretty much I just paid for my room, and that's it. But yeah, it's kind of late. I'm gonna go and see how it is at night. To be honest, the bed is actually kind of comfortable. It's really soft, and if there wasn't a lot of noise outside, then I could actually sleep pretty good right here. TV's right there. I should probably take advantage and watch some movies because I don't have TV at home. Alright, so my camera just did something weird. It's never done that before. I'm looking at the screen, right? It tripped me out for a second. Okay. Yeah. Pretty much, I looked away for a second, and then I had my camera, and I looked at my screen, and it was at a different angle than what I had it at. And then I pressed record, and it switched to where I hit record, and it switched to my face. The camera's never done that before. That was a trip. Now I'm freaking out. Okay. I think I'm tripping. This has to be all in my head because, hold on. Can't do it. Can't stay the night. I'm going home. Alright guys, so that was stop number 1. It's a few days later. It's been about a week. Pretty much I packed my stuff up and just left. It was a little trippy. I had a little experience with the camera messing up and doing something kind of weird as far as paranormal and haunted goes. So yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought, what I recorded as far as like my stay at the Apache Hotel. You guys hit subscribe, hit like, let me know what you guys think, and don't miss the next episode. Pretty much I'm off to the plaza.